The moment I saw you, before I proposed to you,
we said a little prayer for you.
While combing my hair now,
you're wondering what's under my dress now.
We said a little prayer for you.
Forever, forever, he gives you his heart and he loves you forever and ever. You'll never break up, divorce will cost you together, together. That's how it must be for this love story. Forever, forever, he gives you his heart and he loves you forever and ever. You'll never break up, divorce will cost you together, together. That's how it must be for this love story.
Screw Grant, she must marry Nicky.
I really do love you, dear, but Andy keeps whispering in his ear,
we'll say a little prayer for you.
Grant and I will get hitched if we survive my family and that scheming bitch.
We'll say a little prayer for you.